Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to predict a story by looking at the pictures in the text, comprehend asked questions about the given pictures, read aloud the given text in the story, respond to the text post-reading to express how they take the story, comprehend and respond to simple questions, recognize and pronounce common two-consonant clusters in initial and final positions, use appropriate expressions in conversation to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express needs and show gratitude. Read and comprehend the text from the book and write it in their own words. Pronounce and practice diphthongs and use them in sentence making. Pronounce and classify words that begin and end with the same two consonant clusters. Locate specific simple information in a clock by half and full hour. Locate specific information in a calendar month of the year. Write down class timetable, subject and period by reading across and down. Read familiar words appearing on a variety of reading material such as advertisements, recipes, captions, etc. Use pre-reading strategies to predict some words that might occur in a text by looking at a picture or title. Enhance the vocabulary with the words ending with one and two consonant clusters. Spell the words with beginning and ending with two consonants. Identify and recognize the use of has and have. Recognize and understand that sentences join to make a paragraph. In a paragraph, sentences join to make sense in relation to each other. Identify a paragraph as a larger, meaningful unit of expression representing unity of thought. Read and use symbols in a picture map and explain simple position on a picture, illustration, or a map, and describe the picture in their own words.